Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome back to your daily updates on Beam, which I will keep covering daily. I mean, a lot of you appreciate it, which I appreciate a lot. All right, I wouldn't be anything without you watching. So yeah, I wanted to do daily updates on Beam. The overall consensus of my thoughts is still the same. I mean, yesterday when we covered it, Beam actually did get some bullish momentum here in the evening. Wow, excuse me. But yeah, in the evening. So then Bitcoin also got a little bit of strength, not too much, but a little bit of strength. And since then, it has been bleeding, all right? And Beam together with it. And my thoughts are still the same. So what I said yesterday is that Beam had just had a major bearish breakout below this level between, ultimately 1.9 and, 2 cents, all the way up to 2.05 cents. It's basically a big key area right there. So that I expected that to hold. Basically, everything was looking bearish and still is. But like I said, I mean, we had a bit of a bullish spike. Everything was looking bearish, so I expected it to drop down. And I cannot talk, excuse me. And that's what I still expect. So yesterday, what I said is that I thought it was most likely we would fall down to this support level right here between ultimately 1.7, but it's mostly around 1.6. 1.6, 1.55, potentially even all the way down to 1.5 down here. But let's say 1.6 for simplicity, because that's the level in the middle. And that's still what I expect. I mean, basically what's going on, and I do want to address something else. I mean, someone in the comments said that Alex Becker is a scammer, because he promoted this quite a bit. That's true. That's also one of the main reasons, or not one of the main reasons. I bought, as some of you know, I bought this down here, right? So at around 1 cent. I knew that he was talking about it, but Beam in general, I mean, it's also Merit Circle, so MC, which it comes from. These coins are quite renowned to be a little bit manipulated, all right? And that's just the way it is. I mean, if you look at it, I think Merit Circle is affiliated with it, right? But this, if you look at it, historically, it's just, I mean, it's been super bullish. And I'm actually very bummed out that it got delisted from Bybit futures, because I bought this at 30 cents. They really fucked me over, and there goes the monetization on this video, but all right, that's just the way it is. That's what they did. But these coins, I mean, I think they're both market made by DWF Labs, which are quite renowned for pushing the price up. So it was to be expected that we would have spikes like these, because we assume, and getting back to the Alex Becker thing, because I didn't finish that, he promoted this, but if you bought this earlier during his promotions, it would have went up. So you cannot call him a scammer if it starts dropping down. He was one of the reasons why it was going up, but not the main reason. So assuming that it was at least partially manipulated, you will get moves like these, because these moves are basically spikes created by the manipulators to still sell their remaining bags of Beam, in this case, at a higher price. So that's also what happened right here. So we could get that again, but overall the market structure is bearish, right? I mean, if you look at Beam, you'll see that the open interest, especially in the last day, is decreasing again a lot. There's quite a lot of bearish pressure in the markets right now, which is not ideal. So yeah, like I said, my thoughts remain the same. Now, at some point of time, Beam is going to be able to get some sort of or to land at a certain support level from which it can actually consolidate and maybe even rally again. Because Beam, in the end, it is a project with great backing, and great purpose. I think the market cap is a little bit high. It's a little bit high for my liking, like an 830 million market cap. For me, that's not a long-term hold. I think there's better gaming-related tokens with a way lower market cap. Doesn't matter, all right? For now, like I said, they're really, like, the only way in which Beam could rally again is if it technically breaks above, let's say, 2.03 cents. So that's 0.0203. If it breaks above that for some reason, all right, well, then we can actually rally again. But there's no indication of something like this happening. Like, there's no momentum build up, there's no open interest build up. So that's why I'm telling you, I think it's most likely will drop down lower towards 1.6. If from there we can get some strong support and some strong moves, then maybe we can just consolidate on top of that. But that remains a question for the future. I will keep you updated on that. I cannot know that until we hit that level, right? I need to see the strength. So those are my thoughts. Quickly, if you want to check out my premium and Signal group, very useful, check that out. But that's up to you. For now, thank you for watching. Sorry the video was a little bit longer, but yeah, I was rambling a bit. Sorry. I'll see you all later. Bye.